In the digital age, it's getting harder and harder to know the difference between reality and artificial intelligence.
Huge day for AI policy in California.
That's why Governor Gavin Newsom signed the AI Transparency Act into law, requiring online giants like X and Meta to add labels so users can figure out where content came from.
If we want to have a democracy, people need to know what content is real and what content is not.
David Harris has been pushing this law for 2 years.
There's nothing necessarily wrong with AI-generated content, but if we can't figure out which content comes from AI and which content came from a real camera or a real phone or a real recording device, then we have no way to have a real conversation as citizens.
Now, some platforms like TikTok already have labels for AI-generated content. This is a video of actually myself talking and not AI, but for purposes of this example, I'm checking the AI-generated content box. That way, once this video is posted, anyone can see that I, the creator, used AI in generating or editing this video.
The idea getting heat from the tech lobby earlier this year.
We should be cautious about mandating rigid compliance too early in the process. Doing so could undermine the thoughtful, collaborative work already underway.
Harris says the platform's AI labels might vary a bit, but labels will be based on content's provenance data. Think of it as the digital paper trail, showing who or what made the content and where it came from.
This is also hugely important for protecting children. There have been so many cases now of AI-generated, non-consensual, intimate images. We will be able to quickly tell if those pieces of AI-generated imagery are generated by AI.
Newsom also signing laws that would increase penalties for deepfake pornography, establish mental health safeguards around chatbots, and create clearer guidance for schools to prevent cyberbullying.
There's no silver bullet when it comes to AI policy. There are always going to be ways, as is the case with any computer security challenge, that people will circumvent it.
Although imperfect, advocates say some regulation is better than none.
And another new law from East Bay Senator Jesse Arreguín will impact how law enforcement uses AI for writing their reports. It's going to require them to clearly identify what programs of AI they might be using to create reports, and they'll have to sign off, and an officer will have to include their signature after reviewing the report for mistakes or errors.